everybody, I'm Ryan, this is The Will to Make, and today I'm going to show you how I built this Craftshow display. So I started off this project with a couple of 1x4s from Home Depot. I cut out 4 pieces all the same length for my 4 legs. I made my cuts using my circular saw and a speed square. Next, I ripped each leg down on the table saw to thin the legs out a little so they weren't so chunky. Now I needed to round off each side of all 4 legs, so using a roll of painter's tape I sketched out my curve. Using my bandsaw, I cut out each curve. These didn't need to be perfect because I can do the final shaping while sanding. Next, I needed to mark for holes on the top and bottom of each leg. The top needed a hole the same size as the dowel, and the bottom just needed to be big enough for a piece of rope to fit through. With a Forstner bit and my drill press, I drilled my hole on the top of each leg. Then I drilled the bottom hole. I went ahead and gave each leg and my dowel a rough sanding using some 80 grit sandpaper. Also, I will have links to all the tools and materials I use in this video in the description below, so please check it out. Next, I wanted the edges of each leg to be rounded, so with a round over bit in my router, I routed each edge of all the legs. I could then do a final sanding up to 220 grit. Then I could assemble the legs on the rod. Once assembled, I spread the legs out an equal distance and tied rope through the bottom hole. This keeps the legs from opening too far. And with that, this project was complete. This is perfect for my wife's stained glass artwork, but it is great for any craft show where you need to display hanging items. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.